Bilin po sila nung
Ay, ya sila. Yaya sila yun yan.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Cebu Safari and Adventure Park proudly present the Bird Show. Introducing your host for today, Mr. Justin.
Ay, bro, bandiyan ano?
Hi, mabuhay! Good afternoon, everyone! So, how's everybody doing today? Are you all good? So, Amigo originates in South America, but inhabits in the rainforest of Brazil. As he is a very responsible bird, he loves to see his environment. Paper walks all the way, open the bin, and drop it inside. For the second one, he picks up the can, walks all the way, open the bin, and drop it inside. Good job, buddy. Last one. He picks up the plastic cup, open the bin, and drop it inside. Good job, buddy. Now see, if the bird can do it, why can't we, right? So always remember to put your trash in your trash bins. As the saying goes, cleanliness is... Welcome to Cebu Safari's Bird Show. Now, ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, here comes our flying macaws. So we have a total of 6 blue and gold flying macaws named Harry, Hardy, Matt, Tony, Kyle, and Carl. So macaws are very adaptive. Whatever environment they are in, it becomes quite normal to them. Meaning, if they are surrounded by many people, they will accept many people. For their diet, they mainly eat fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. As they are ranked as the third largest parrot, following the hyacinth and the green-winged macaw. Now guys, you want to stay with me or you want to go back inside and get some more food now? So again, around home. Again, here, say it louder, say, Jumbo! Here's our green-winged macaw named Jumbo. So hi Jumbo, good afternoon. Can you wave to the crowd like this? Alright, now everyone, can you wave back and say, hello Jumbo? So macaws have very long tails and feathers that can grow up from 3 feet from its head to tail, with a tail that roughly extends up to 2 feet. Now Jumbo is going to show us his beautiful tail. Can you turn around, buddy? Alright, that's 1, 2, last one. Good job, buddy. So as you can see, most of their colors are outside their body. Again, everyone, say wings! So lastly, macaws' feet are zygodactylous, meaning they have 2 toes that points forward and 2 toes that points backwards. You can also use their feet to hold on things and climb. Now, Mr. Rocknick here has a ground nut. He will place it into the plastic basket. Now, let's see what Jumbo will do. Jumbo carefully lifts up the plastic basket and got his nut. So as I said earlier, the Jumbo is a very special bird. You want to know why? Because Jumbo loves to go to school, to the bird school. So we have prepared 2 sets of tests for Jumbo, and the first one is a spelling test. Now we have here 4 animal pictures. We have here the camel, horse, zebra, and the snake. Now everyone, I need you to choose one animal picture. What would it be? Say it louder! Alright, so I think I heard here camel. So let's proceed camel with Mr. James. So while our staff is arranging the Jumbo letters, let's go into Mr. Romnek to ask questions about Jumbo. So hi Mr. Romnek, good afternoon. How are you today? That's good to hear. Now Mr. Romnek, where did Jumbo originally came from?
South America.
Wow, South America, but he loves to stay here in the Philippines, right?
Yes.
Alright, so we're all set and ready. Jumbo buddy, take a good look at the picture. Can you spell out the camel word correctly? First letter, buddy. He picks up the letter C, and for the second letter. Second one. He picks up the letter A, and for the third one. He picks up the letter M. And for the next one, buddy, you're almost there. He picks up the letter E. And for the last letter, last one, bud. He picks up the letter L. So camel spells C-A-M-E-L, is it? Alright, now since Jumbo did well on the first test, we will make it more. So I need two numbers from 1 to 10. Can you raise your hands or hand sign, please? How about this side? Okay, I see your 5. How about on the other side? Higher than 5. Okay, I think I see your 10. 5 plus 10. So while Mr. Irvin is arranging the jumbled numbers, let's go again to Mr. Romnek to ask more questions about Jumbo. Now, Mr. Romnek, what are Jumbo's favorite foods?
Variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables.
So Jumbo's favorite foods are variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. My next question, Mr. Romnek, what are Jumbo's favorite subject?
English and
English and math. My last question, Mr. Romnek, where did Jumbo love to go to school?
University of Cebu Safari.
University of Cebu Safari. Now let's see how good he is at math. Jumbo buddy, what is 5 plus 10? So everyone, it is 5 plus 10. Alright, first number, he picks up the number 1. And for the last number, take your time, buddy. There's no need to rush. Is it number 5 or number 4? He picks up the number 5. So 5 plus 10 is equals to 15. Is it correct? So round of applause to our genuine Makani, Jumbo. Now, our group of Sancunyors. So Sancunyors are also known as San Parakeets. They are very playful, social, and have a very loud voice. They are natives to the northeastern parts of South America, like Brazil and Venezuela. Thank you. We will not. Alright, fly to the first one and to the second one. Try it again. Alright, so Mr. Romnek, can we do it again? Like one more time. Okay, so let's do it one more time.
Someone.
Okay, so fly to the first one and the second one. Try it again. Alright, so round of applause to ground Amazon parrots, the most commonly kept Amazon due to its talking ability and playfulness.
That's right, and mimic is the copy sound of what they hear every day.
Now everyone, can you say hi? What will you say? Now Miss Donna, what else can they mimic?
They can mimic the different sounds of animals, just like a rooster, a cat, and a dog. And also they can mimic a telephone ringing and a whistle.
So let's do the rooster first. Now, how about cat?
Okay, Rudy, can you bark?
Now let's do a telephone ringing. Okay, last one. Whistle. Again. Now, Miss Donna, I think Lani and Rudy here has a hidden talent.
Yes, they love to sing, but before they sing, they need to have a warm-up first.
Alright, now let's do the warm-up. Now, for our first song. Again. Now, before we proceed to our last song, let me ask first, who's celebrating their birthdays today? Or within this month? Raise your hands. Alright, now happy birthday. Now listen carefully because Lani and Rudy here will sing a happy birthday song. Now let's sing happy birthday. Happy birthday. Again. Happy birthday. Last one. So a round of applause to our mimicking birds here named Lani and Rudy. And alright, so we have here Miss Debbie. She has a handful of fruits. She will toss it to Mr. Horn. Now let's see how good he is at catching his food. Now Mr. Horn. What's next, buddy? So there are a total of 40 toucan species around the world. And one thing they have in common is their large and beautiful bill. First try, Miss Debbie. Good catch, Mr. Horn. How about the second one? Oh, he missed it. How about the last one? It's okay. So Tugi-Tugans have a large and beautiful bill that looks heavy, but in reality, it is extremely light. It is because it is made up of protein and keratin. Alright, now for our first birds of prey, put your hands together to our snatching prey of light, our Dominicite name, Shadow. So Brahminicite, they have a white plumage from its head down to its underparts, and the rest of its color are striking chestnut brown. Now for our next So formerly known as red-backed sea eagle in Australia, but locally known here in the Philippines as Banong in Bisaya and Now this type of birds of prey can be found in the skies of Australia, Sri Lanka, Nepal, and Pakistan. So again, this bird snatches live prey and steals from fish and also hunting birds. That's why it is called a snatching prey of life.
Wow! Nak, guys, ganda.
So round of applause to our Brahminicite's name, Shadow, Cloud, and Sky. Try to reach out this bird because this bird will fly closer to you. So again, just please sit down and enjoy the show. Alright, so we're all set and ready. Now ladies and gentlemen, for our grand finale, keep your heads up high to our white-bellied sea eagle named Silver. But wait, there's more. Here comes the partner of Silver, Marina. So white-bellied sea eagle, also known as the white-breasted sea eagle, or king of the sea. It has a white plumage from its head down to its underparts, and its wings and back are dark gray in color. The scientific name for this bird is Heliaetus leucocastor. Now their favorite foods in the wild, they mainly eat fish, sea snakes, and small mammals. So this bird can grow up to 75 to 85 centimeters in length with a wingspan of 180 to 220 centimeters. So round of applause to our white-bellied sea eagle named Silver and Marina. Now let me introduce, and we have here Indian peafowls and our scarlet ivies. Come on up, buddies. And to make this more memorable, we have here the symbol of love, peace, prosperity, and harmony. Now, my name is Dustin. We hope you enjoy the show. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the walk. Now, if you want to take pictures of our photograph birds, kindly form a line here at the center. We have here